यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स और मेंस में आप न्यूज़पेपर को कैसे इफेक्टिवली विद इन 2 मिनट्स यूज कर सकते हो देखते हैं. Israel strikes Iran gas field, kills intel chief. This article very important for the places in news from Prelims 2026, as this area has been very important for this year. You should know that the South Pass is the major natural gas deposit, and all the important places like Bab al-Mandeb state of Hormuz, Red Sea countries or Mediterranean Sea countries you should know from this area. Provide breakfast to under PM portion panel. This article can be used in GS2 if the question comes on nutrition related or any SDG related. You can use this PM portion as a case study which provided school student government meal up to class 8. Moving forward. Gujarat UCC Bill 6 to regulate live-in relationship. This article can be used in GS1, even in 2, even in 4. If the question comes on the UCC, which is already been asked in PYQ, you should know that after Uttarakhand, Gujarat government has introduced UCC legislative bill in assembly, proposing a common legal framework governing marriage, divorce, succession, live-in relationship irrespective of religion. Moving forward. Silence on West Asia war is not moral surrender but responsible state cup. This article is used for GS2. If the question comes on bilateral relations between the countries, you can pick up some important facts like majority of 200 billion of annual trade flows through the region of Strait of Hormuz, and our energy security is very dependent on the Gulf countries. And also there is a well-being of 9 million Indian workers in these residents in the Gulf directly tied to regional stability. A bill that narrows expand right. This article can be used in GS1. If the question comes on vulnerable sections, you can use this example that the recent amendment of the Transgender Person Protection Bill 2026 would give power state to recognize as transgender person biological and cultural makeup. This would violate the Article 17, right to privacy. Moving forward, how to define an ancestral range by protecting a delicate balance. This article can be used in any paper if the question comes on environmental related aspects. You can use this example of the 100-meter definition given by FCI, and also you should know that the UNESCO World Heritage Site Hill Fort of Rajasthan, and from Prelims point of view, you should know Rajasthan has only 8% of geographic area under forest tree cover, which is the major concern, and the most of the area lies in Aravalli district. BRICS should step in Western US Israel. This article is important for this year because this year India is going to host BRICS summit. You should know the founding members and the joining members of the BRICS. Moving forward. Why NATO doesn't have to answer terms called to join Nagar? This question of NATO has already been asked this year, that the member countries of the NATO, you should know all the basic facts, like Article 5 has said obligating a response by all members who attack on one member. Also, that's why US Donald Trump president revived a family referendum calling NATO members to attack on Iran due to US-Israel war. Moving forward, with 2 Oscars, how K-pop Demon Hunter started a part 2 mainstream success. This article important for prelims this year. It might ask in the culture perspective. We should know that the Korean pop drama Hunters 2025 has won 2 Oscars on Sunday Best Animated Feature Film and Best Originated Song. That's your UPSC news for today. Stay consistent and please tomorrow news. All the very best.